Boo. So I missed a couple stuff in my latest video. Yeah. And I don't really want to do it right now. I'm just going to like all these levels. Some people found theirs in level 9. Some people found I don't really know that much about Shrek robots because I just learned about them. And there is a new hat. I missed a couple stuff in my latest video, so sorry about that. Some people found their Shrek robots, but I'm gonna tell you how to get to the room very easily without even having to find them. Okay, so basically you do this. There, you're moving, and then go up here. You can get a map. Oh, bye, dude. Bye, Henry. Then go over here. Then we go under. Then we try to get outside the map. Ooh, uh-oh. That's not working. Hang on. Something's wrong. Okay, yeah, hang on. I have to redo the level 23 thing. The Shrek robot is like a little painful because I have to go to every single level to find it, but I'm here to tell you, you don't need to do that anymore. This is how to get the Shrek robot. Yay, yippee. I'm getting a little tired of this. Okay, there. Oh, no. Get up. Okay, then we go up here. Over here. Here. Go under. There. Oh yeah, there's a new path, by the way. Let me show you the path. There you go. There's a new path. Oh. There was a new path. Oh yeah, there. Yeah. So basically, you want to go onto that path. Basically, you want to go over here. Then you go over here. And then we jump in. There's the VR. Yo, what's up, Shrek? Yo, Shrek, what's up? Shrek, wake up. Enable secret mode. Shrek. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, it's a little compartment. The big... Yeah, but... Can't leave. You can't leave, by the way. So you just have to restart your game. So this is that's the tutorial how. So yeah. Okay, bye guys.